Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma. If you're new here, if you're a returning viewer, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on another video. You guys, happy Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day to all my subscribers, to everyone that watches my videos. I love you guys so much. So guys, today we're going to be creating this neutral nude Valentine's Day date night date night makeup. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, this is like a halo sunset type of look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, please do keep on watching. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I already drew my brows off camera so we can hasten this whole process. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with my LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Face Smoothing Primer. Oh my god, I actually got the name. Wow, I've said this a lot that it's stuck to my head now. So next up, because I want this glowy type of look, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. So next up, I'm just going to apply foundation on my face. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. So I'll use this angled foundation brush. You guys, this foundation is full coverage in case you don't know. So guys, we're already looking flawless. I love this foundation. I can't even lie, man. I love the finish. So next up, I'm going to highlight my face. I did a mix of these two foundations, and that's what I'm going to be using to highlight my face. Where's my brush? So I have that here, and that's what I'm going to be using on my face. I hope what I mixed is light enough. Okay, yeah, I did good. Wow, I'm actually impressed. I'm impressed. You guys, see why I don't do edges? I sweat on my hair. So anytime I do edges, like the sweat just comes to scatter. Just, what is this? What is this? Sweat just comes to scatter everything. And even on my nose, that's why I don't like to contour my nose, because I sweat a lot there and I don't want products to start shifting. So I just totally avoid contouring my nose because I don't want to start looking funny. But anyways, I'm going to blend this out immediately because I don't think I need it to sit. I like how it blended out so beautifully. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is set my face. I'm going to be setting my face like with two setting powders. I'll start with this one from the Zaran Cosmetics face definer. I'll set my face with this first, and then I'll go ahead to use the Benai banana powder. I'm running out, guys. Guys, my friend gifted me this thing that I'm using to apply my setting powder, and god, I love it. I love it so much. Like, it's very soft, and I don't know what the name of the brand is. It came in a pack of 4 and I just took one. It's so soft and it just applies the powder so well. I'll go ahead to contour my face with the contour powder from this same palette. So guys, never forget to tap off the excess. Very important. Disclaimer guys, my face, this part of my face is going to end up sucking all of this powder. Before I finish doing my eyes, majority of the powder here has disappeared. So don't get surprised when you see that my powder is vanishing. So for my eyes, I'm going to use these two palettes from Juvia's Place. This is the Masquerade and this is Afrique. I'm going to be using the warm tones in these two palettes because we're going for like a sunset halo type of look. So I'm going in with this color, this one, and this one. For these other palettes, we're going to be using this orange color here. I think this is the color I've used the most in this palette. I'm just going to use concealer to prime my eyes, just to give it a nice base. So blend that out nicely. I'll do one eye with you guys and then I'll do the second eye off camera so we won't sleep here. Okay, so I'll start off with the lighter brown shade, which is this one right here. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this orange, just a tiny little bit. I might even mix it with the brown shade that I was already using. Yeah, I'm going to use that at this part of my eyes. So just little. I'm going to use this smaller brush to apply the darker brown shade. This step is to deepen my crease. The first step was my transition, in case I didn't say that. So this one is to deepen my crease area, make it darker. So I'll take it up a bit just so that it can blend in properly with the transition color. Blend the both of them together. And I'm going with a little bit of black. I usually take my black color from my eyebrow definer, so I'm going with a little bit of black just to make that brown, you know, a bit darker, just a bit. Yeah, this is what I was going for. So I'm going to use this small flat brush to cut my crease, and I'm also going to be using concealer for that. So this is a halo type of look, so we're not going to be cutting from this part, we're going to be cutting from the center. Okay, so this is what we have, and I'm going to go ahead to place the first color, this color right here. After that, I'll go in with this orange color, and then I'll use the two brown colors that I used initially. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. We could do this. So I'm placing the first color at the top of the crease. This color is shimmered, so I'm pressing it, I'm not dragging it. That is something you should know. With shimmered colors, try to press it into your eyeshadow primer, or if you're using your concealer as a primer, press it into it, don't drag it. So this is what we have. I'll quickly do the same on the second eye and then I'll be right back. I'm back, guys, and I went ahead to pop on my lashes. I used lashes from this case, it doesn't have a name on it, so but these lashes came out of this. As you can see, my skin has sucked in all of the powder here, so I'm just going to dust off the rest of my setting powder, apply my blush, and yeah, just finish up the rest of my face. So I'm going to use this highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I'll be taking this golden one. Going in with this other highlighter here for my inner tear duct area. So I'm going to use the orange and brown colors for my for under my eyes. What's this place called? For underneath my eyes. Now I'm just going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil. Guys, we're going for red lips, so that's what I think I want to go for. You know, Valentine. I'm going to go in with this red lipstick. I don't know the name, guys, but that's what we're going to be using. I think I want to go for like a red matte look. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I hope you also enjoyed the video. Please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay.